Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to change the color of clothes in Photoshop. I'll show you some ways. Most often people use the tool Color Replacement tool. I'll show you another way. Select the Quick Selection tool and select the required area. Using brushes with a plus and minus sign, you can remove excess selection or add. After you have finished the selection, you need to expand it a little. Select Hue Saturation and click Colorize. Moving the sliders to the right to the left, we select the desired color. If the video was useful for you, like, write comments, subscribe so as not to miss new videos.